Hey guys, welcome back to Best Life and Beyond. This is Home is Where the Vlog Is, number 22. So we had a whole video, pretty much, I'd say like 75% of a video recorded. And it was really just a kind of a, not too much going on today. There was a lot of rain and I don't know, it just was kind of blah. And I was just reading a lot of tweets and talking to a lot of friends. And everybody was just like feeling really down and frustrated and anxious today. And I started looking through some old Disneyland footage and I thought if ever there was a day that we needed to listen to something or see something, I feel like this week, these days are the days to do that. So I found some footage of when Dylan, Michael, and I were at Disneyland. We went on the Colombia and the Bootstrappers came on and they went a full, lap around playing a couple of songs. So I recorded that and I had some footage just of some shots that I got while we were on the Colombia and listening to them. And I started watching it and I literally started crying. Tears for many reasons, like tears because I missed it, tears because it was so beautiful, and I could even get choked up talking about it now. But it was so nice to see how like bright and beautiful it was, and just, the intent is, just to make you happy and like make you think of your memories at Disneyland or whatever it may be. But something about the Bootstrappers, and it just felt so Disneyland to me, and it was just the most perfect moment ever. So it's not perfect footage, but it's everything I could, gather and salvage, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and that'll kind of be your video for today. It's technically, you're not missing out on anything from today. It just wasn't something more important than I think seeing something like this. So, hopefully you guys enjoy it. We just took a ride on the sailing ship Colombia, and as we were getting off, we saw the Bootstrappers getting on.
Right back on.
We're just, whoop, went right back around again. The Bootstrappers! Ahoy!
Famous Bootstrappers. Blowing strong, way up to the end, blowing like a hurricane all day long, around the Bay of Mexico, around the Bay of Mexico, way up to the end. Mexico's the place where I belong, around the Bay of Mexico. I've been to sea for a year or more, way up to the end, but I can't wait to get to the shore. A little pup, way up to the end, drank tequila from a city club, around the Bay of Mexico, way up to the end. Mexico's a place where I belong, around the Bay of Mexico. Johnny's heave away.
Chief, give it a rest.
Come get your surfboard, keep the bound across the water. Heave away. Hey, Johnny boys are all about the way. Sometimes I'm on my friends. Heave away. Hey, Johnny's heave away. Now we're bumping here, come to get the beautiful dance. Heave away. Hey, Johnny boys are all about the way. I was on the Disneyland. Heave away. Hey, Johnny's heave away. I wrote my love a letter, but I forgot to send it. Heave away. Hey, Johnny boys are all about the way. Now I'm gonna leave you. Heave away. Johnny, heave away. You promised you would marry me, and then you didn't see me. Heave away. The Johnny boys are all around me. Cause we're bound to see it tomorrow. Heave away, me Johnny's heave away. Come get your dogs and water, cause we're bound to cross the water. Heave away, me Johnny boys are all about the me. I was on the Disneyland. Heave away, me Johnny's heave away. I wrote my love a letter, but I forgot to send it. Heave away, me Johnny boys are all about the me. Heave away. Johnny boys are all about the heave away. The Johnny boys are all about the heave away. The Johnny boys are all about the heave away. The Johnny boys are all about the I was hoping for someplace more tropical. So.
We might have accidentally gotten a round-trip ticket.
I told you to get rum-trip tickets. You may be an idiot, too.
I'm not far from an idiot, I know that.
Hey.
Now you're closer. You're closer to yourself. Well, how are we going to cheer ourselves up now?
All right.
Liquor. Oh, let's play that one.